Hello everyone, in this video we will be unboxing a RaceChip GTS 5 from RaceChip by HP and installing it on this Hyundai i20N. Let's get into it. When you receive your package from RaceChip by HP, it's going to look something like this. As we take this cover off, we can see the app instructions as well as the GTS 5 chip that's programmed here in Brisbane. If we take this out, inside here is the zip ties and mounting clips for the GTS 5. And in this other compartment here, we have the engine harness. Before we get too carried away, let's take a photo of the barcode so that when it comes to pairing the app, it's easy and you have it right there. As you can see, this i20N has an intake on it, so when you have other modifications in the engine bay, it's just good to have a think about where you're going to mount the chip. But before we go that far, let's start connecting the harness. The RaceChip harnesses are clearly marked, which makes the installation process super easy, especially on these Hyundai Kia Smartstream motors, where all the plugs are accessible from the top of the engine. So let's start plugging these in. So the first sensor we'll be plugging into is the turbo boost pressure sensor right here. So if we pull back on this little plastic clip here, lever it down, and it slides off just like that. We're going to grab harness A, and as you can see, RaceChip's plug is identical to OEM. So we're just going to slide that on, push that clip forward to lock it in, and then we're going to do the same for the other side of the harness, back into the original clip, and push that forward to lock it in. That's the boost pressure sensor done. The next one on our list is this manifold absolute pressure sensor, which conveniently is right next to the boost pressure sensor. So same process, pull that clip back, push down to slide it off, just like that. And then we will grab harness B and just slide that one on the same way you took it off, and we'll plug this in like that. The third and final connection is the camshaft sensor. So you can see this little dark grey plastic clip again. This one you pinch it on both sides and just pull it up, and then push it backwards to unlock it and slide it out. Then we will grab harness C and just plug that in the same way that it came out. In, push down to click, and we'll pop this one in here like so. And that is all connected. Before I cable tie it up and make it all look pretty, we just want to test that everything is working correctly. So we'll take the blanking plug out, click our RaceChip in there, and we'll start the car, make sure it runs without any fault codes. And before you do that, just make sure the cables aren't in the way of any moving parts, such as the radiator fan or something like that. So we'll go and test that now. It all works like it's supposed to. No engine lights. We're ready to hook it up. So there you go, folks. That is all installed, all tucked away very nicely, and unfortunately you can't see the chip on this, but it's sitting underneath that intake. Everything's out the road, nothing's going to hit the radiator fan. And that is how you install a RaceChip on an i20N or any other Hyundai Kia that has the Smartstream 1.6 litre motor.